Alright, so this is a unboxing of the Foxwell NT716. It's a 4-system scanner and it has special functions. So it works with some of the latest vehicles on the market, up to 2021 model year vehicles. American, Asian, and European vehicles. And it's got ABS and airbag features, live data, and I believe this is bi-directional. So I got this on sale on Amazon. And I'm gonna do a little, just open this and see. So it comes in a nice case. It's a molded hinge, so it's not a solid metal one. It comes with a user's guide, warranty information, as well as a quick start guide. And then here's the actual tool, and comes with a USB-C, obviously the OBD2 to the interface connection. Comes in a cover. So here's the tool. It's made in China. So you've got an on button, USB-C, USB, and the interface connection. And here's the actual screen. So this is what you get in the unboxing. I'm going to do a video later with an actual review of the tool.